Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Go cool and be cool. Python programming languages examination tips and tricks part 1. We are going to see course joining and then preparation. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. We are seeing this Python program, how to study this program, when to study, what to study, and then how to study to make sure that you are getting the beautiful certification from beginner level to expert level. Are you ready? Welcome back. Python programming languages part 1 we are going to see, my dear friends, beginner to expert level. So especially only for course joining and then preparation, how to join this course. So then what is the certification we have, and then how to make sure that I'm going for the beautiful preparation to get the certification done. So we have a lot of programs in this series: big data, and then AWS, and then if you are automotive guy, you if you want to have ISO 9001, 14001, maybe 27001. So all programs are there available. So you can go to the playlist, you can drop down all those areas, then you can learn so many kind of things. So all related to certification program. Without certification, nothing is possible in this world. Well, this world will never make you to believe, like if you have not completed certification, the mail will simply say that you are also a part of a normal population, average people, that's all. Okay, my dear friends, now let's see that one by one. Part 1 is the beginner to expert level course joining and then preparation, what we're supposed to do that especially. See, my dear friends, before going to the first slides, like first one is Python Institute. See, why I'm insisting you for this Python Institute especially. If you are a guy, project management professional from PMI, I hope you understand, like project management professional from PMI, Project Management Institute. Yes, if you are studying in the recognized institute, if you have a beautiful certification from the recognized institute, for example, if you are going for any interview, any promotion, any upgradation or something like that, the world will believe you that yes, this certificate is very highly stringent level they are conducting. If you are a guy complete in the sense, you have a beautiful and then great knowledge. Okay, we have a lot of certification from the many institute and all, but we don't know how the background and then how they conduct, what is the severity of their main certificate and everything. So for example, what I'm doing is, what are all the programs I'm studying, especially for the TUV, the world recognized, highly recognized international certification, I'm just posting in these areas, and then you people supposed to learn for that upgradation in your level. So it is not like that a normal local or maybe certification or something like that. I'm just updating you the international level certificate program. So for that, you people can able to promote yourself, brand yourself in the social media as well as the corporate top management vision also. See, my idea is this area Python Institute, so you supposed to get this. First one is essential. Okay, so beginner level, what is that, you can able to do that. Okay, enroll free in the sense, yes, you can able to study, but getting the certificate we have to pay the money. Okay, my dear friends, let's see that open EDG. So here is like Python essential, there is a part 1 basic. Here is the offering from sponsor is Python Institute. So online self-study courses, beginner free 48 hours. We have recommended 7 hours per week. See, it is all your decision, so you can able to do that. Even 2 days also it is more than enough. Okay, English and Spanish we can able to see that. Associated certificate, CEP is also there, certified entry level Python program examination is also available. So this course is first into course series that will prepare you for the certified entry level Python programmer, and CCAP is also available, certified associate in Python programming certification and then examination. The main goal of this course is to guide you so from a state of a complete programming literacies to the level of programming knowledge, which allows you to design, write, and then debug and run programming encoded in the Python languages, and to understand the basic concept of software developing and then technology. This course will prepare you for jobs and career connected with widely understood software development, which includes not only creating the codes itself as a junior engine developer, so but also computer design, system design, and then software testing. So you will learn the universal concept of computer programming, then syntax and semantics of the Python languages, practice skills in resolving typical implementation challenges, use the most important elements of Python standard library. So these are all the benefits you have. My dear friends, please understand, free means it's free only for the learning. Yes, you can learn, but the thing is that without having certificate, no one will believe. No, so you have to buy the voucher. What is the cost? See, learning, I will tell you, see, learning in shorts, the Python Essential Part 1 Basics course itself is a free to access and study online. Certification, yes, if you wish to obtain the official CEP certification to validate your skill, you will need to purchase an exam vouchers and pass the certification exam. Yes, my dear friends, most of the area it is like that only. You cannot simply get the certificate free. See, whoever is giving you the free certificate, they are saying like you will learn our module, our branding services of what we are offering you, the free certification. Yes, because catching of the business is one of the main thing is they have to provide you a lot of free buys and everything. So you people can able to purchase and then get the certification. That is what the main intention. So this exam does have a cost. So currently around $59 USD so for the PSEP. I will tell you one by one. So what is the cost and all? Okay, my dear friends, this is the websites. I'm not promoting, but I'm just saying that what all the benefits you can able to get from the Python Institute. Here is like you can see that certified entry level Python programmer. So nearly $69, 60. Here is $86 certified entry level Python programmer. Here is like this is the next level of programming. Next is associate programmer. So here is $295. That is also like certified entry level Python programmer. We have another one area, $95 is also available. So each area is like exam plus retake. Also you can do that. Exam, retake plus practice test is also available. Here is only exam you can able to write it and get the certificate. Very costly, I think so. Yes, of course we have to provide the cost because the institute is offering very beautiful areas, and then you people can able to go and see that the recommendation as well as the recognition in this world. Now next one is here is exam plus practice test. We can do that. Certified associate in Python programming, nearly $315 we can see. Here is only practice test, $29 we can. Here is exam plus practice test we can able to get from $81. Certified entry level Python programmer. Here is exam. We can get only for this data level certified entry level data analytics plus Python, only $69 we can able to provide getting this certificate and everything. Exam plus retake you can do that. Certified PCD, that is a certified entry level data analytics with the Python, so $86. Here is like exam plus retake, but the thing is that CPCAP very costly, I think. Certified associate Python programmer, $345. Okay, so yes, it's my dear friends, because PMP from PMI is also like same level. We supposed to give the money for the certification. Then only the because see the branding of the PA, branding of the PMP from the PMI is very very costly, because the thing is that the world recognition certificate, this one internationally recognized certificate, $345 we can able to see it here is. Okay, my dear friends, now here is the only practice test we can conduct. PCAP 31 practice test compendium, the $49 we can able to get it. Examination, certified professional and in Python programming, $295. Yes, we have to provide nearly $300 it is coming all put together with taxes and everything all put together. I think it is okay. We can afford it, because PA certificate, it is a good value. It is really helpful for you for your promotion, getting upgradation, branding yourself in the social media, and so many kind of things. Okay, now let's see that next one is $315 we can hit. Examination plus practice test, certified associate in Python programming, exam plus practice test. Here is $359. Retake and then practices. Certified associate Python program, retake and then practice test. Certified associate tester with the Python is $225. Here is $195 is associate tester with the Python program. So next one is, let's see that what is a structured pathway. So from zero to Python professor, how I can become, I am zero now, so how I'm going to become, so from zero to Python professional. So here is a step-by-step roadmap to learn Python and earn certificate. So build a portfolio and prove expertises to your company. So focused on recognized institutes, so project-based learning and industry relevance. So first phase one, what is supposed to do that? Foundation building. So first 1 to 2 months You people supposed to make the building of foundation. So what is our goal supposed to be? Master, becoming the master Python basics plus earn your first certification. Key skill is variables as loops, functions, OOP, file handling and everything. So course and institutes we can say is beginners course online, it's available. So here is platform is like Coursera, University of Michigan. So cost is free audit or maybe 2500 per month. Financial aid available here is. So then project 5 plus hands on assignments, example data parsing, web scrapping is also available. So next platform is Udemy. Yes, of course we have bootcamp is there, nearly 499 rupees. Frequent discount is available. Project 100 plus the coding exercises plus the 3 mini apps also available. So then second one is a classroom, that is options in India generally, especially NIT, and then Aptech is also there. Foundation in Python programming, 15,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees, including a study kit is also available. So project is build a calculator, whether app. Then a simple game. Certification to the target is PCAP Python Institute. Examination cost is 6,500. Why globally recognized entry level cost. Certification is also available. So these are all the areas as we could able to figure it out exactly. So now next phase 2, what we supposed to do, that skill deepening and then specialization. So third and fourth month we can make sure that our studies and everything is giving you a good knowledge, good in-depth deep diving yourself to the next level. So choose a domain, maybe it is from data or web or automations as build advanced projects. So what all the specialized courses we can able to see, as I said in the first video, like data science, IBM data science Coursera is available. So projects we supposed to complete like COVID-19 analysis and then stock prediction, something like that. So it is in EMI like 2500 per month, 2500 rupees per month is also they are offering. Web development is Digenco for everybody. So EDX is also available. Block apps, then e-commerce side is also available. There is a free, but if you want certification you have to pay the money, my dear friends. Automation, yes, Google IT automation, Coursera automated backup system is available. CI/CD pipeline, so nearly 3,000 per month is also there. Now classroom option in India generally. So why I'm insisting you classroom in the sense, a lot of friends you have, so you can connect. Yes, online is also available, but the thing is that reality, the real time interaction is very, very important. So please learn YouTube, lot of things as 90% you can learn from the YouTube. So in my channel I'm offering you so many kind of certification course and everything. So after the learning you can take the books and everything, go to the service center or maybe the examination center, have a knowledge, share the knowledge with all your friends, then you will get lot of real time tips, so that you will get lot of things. During COVID it's very difficult, yes, of course we also done like that, so we cannot be able to go for it, so only online it is possible. But now COVID is open, so you can at least catch up real-time data, so that at least you can get lot of interaction from the lot of different domain also. So banking friends is also there, medical friends is also there, automotive friends is also, so many kind of friends we have. Okay, so institute, so upgrade or Jigsaw Academy, so course detail data science with the Python or full stack development is also available. So nearly 60,000 rupees, so including mentorship plus placement support. So project 5 plus industry relevant project, example customer channel predictions and everything. Certification to target is PCPP in Python Institute or Google IT automation certification is also available. Now portfolio development. So you supposed to develop first phase 1, phase 2 is completed. Now you supposed to go for portfolio development. What is the portfolio you supposed to develop? Month 5. So our goal is build 4 to 6 project to showcase on GitHub. So project ideas by domain. So what are all the domains we have, and then what is the project idea we can give. So data science. So what is the project? So analyze Spotify data. So Spotify data is pandas, then matplotlib is also available. So then predict house prices. Skit learning is also there. So web development, build a REST API for the bookstore. Flask is also there. Create a portfolio website. Digengo automation, automate Excel reports, open Python Excel, and then web scrubber for job listings. Beautiful, and then so on. So pro tip is host projects is on GitHub, so with the detailed redmesos.md files is available. So free resource for the project is Gaggle data sets we have, so for the data projects, and then free code camp tutorials for the web development also available. Now phase 4. So what is that phase 4? Advanced certification and then industry proof. That is a month 6 what we're supposed to do that, but because we have completed phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, now phase 4 advanced level. What is the goal? Is validate expertise with high impact certification. Okay, expert certification, yes, we have TensorFlow developer, AWS developer, and then digital code certification. Google, Amazon, Udemy, nearly 10,000, 50,000, and then 1,500 is available. Here is the AI engineer, we can figure it out. The cloud target roles where we can able to get the job like this. So cloud developer and then backend developer is also now. So proving skill to your company, what you can prove. See, you have to show something to your boss, then only you can catch up their mind, or maybe you will become an right hand over to a boss. Okay, internal showcase, automate your workflow, example email reports, data cleaning, something like that. Everybody is doing nowadays. Lot of dashboards they are creating automatically. It will convert, the data what they are getting from the system. The data cleaning is happening, then it is directly giving the reports, and then one page report through mail to auto mail to all the people. Simple, that's all. Within 5 minutes to 10 minutes we can complete only by showcasing these kind of things. So present results to your manager. Example, reduce the process time by 70% using Python. So LinkedIn proof, yes, please add, make sure that you are addressing in the LinkedIn forum, add certification plus GitHub link. So request endorsements from colleagues. So company specific training is TCS Ion, free Python courses for employees, sign Infosys, then Spring board is also there, internal certification also there. So now moving towards to the phase 5, job acceleration, how you can able to do that ongoing. So our main thing is, what is the goal, about land promotions as new roles with your Python skill. How you can do that? Tactics is join Python communities. We have a lot of Python communities are available, nearly 2 lakhs Python communities in this world. Okay, so we have many Python, like PyDelhi is available, Perser available, and then meetups, and then hackathons. So many kind of people are there to create this group, and then make sure that they are discussing all related Python queries and everything. Freelance, yes, platform. Upwork is there. They are charging nearly 500 to 2,000 rupees per hour for scripting the jigs and available. Advanced degrees, IIT Madras, Power Tech. So we have advanced certification. So it's costing around nearly 60,000 rupees within, the campus itself. You can go for even online also this one. Total cost breakdown. So here is like, phase is foundation, specialization, portfolio, cost, certification, and then total nearly 20 to 1 lakh coming, for example, based on the levels and everything. Okay, depending on institute or maybe certification or whatever. For example, 20, 60, and then this is portfolio is free. Here is 25, so all put together. Okay, so free courses of all the areas we can catch it up. See, my dear friends, key institute in India. So mainly institute is Institute NIIT. So there are course offered is Python for data science. Okay, it's a classroom program, 20,000 rupees they are charging. Placement assessment is also available here. Next, upgrade. So here is the full stack development is there online, 60,000 rupees. Triple IT, then B certification is also there. Here is IIT Madras. Yes, of course, artificial intelligence, machine learning with Python, blended 60,000 rupees. IIT brand value we have. Then here is Coursera and then EDX. Here is Google IBM specialization, 2,500 per month in EMI. So global recognition. Your 6-month action plan, what is supposed to do that? Month 1 complete Coursera Python for everybody. So month 2 is earn PCAP certification. Month 3 specialize the Google IT automation, something like that. Month 4 build 3 hip-hop projects. Month 5 is earn PCPP or maybe TensorFlow certification, is advanced certification, something like that. So month 6 is automate a company task plus showcase yourself. As a result, top management vision, you are satisfying. Top management is having some kind of challenges. If you are addressing the challenges, making them to feel comfortable, you are the rocking performer, rocking man or woman, something like that. Make sure that your boss is getting attracted by your beautiful automations of Python program. So finally, let's learn and level up ourselves, and let us help and support others. So without pain, there is no gain. I hope you like this video. So please give your valuable comments so that I can also level up myself. So and share to your beloved ones. So thank you very much, and thanks for watching.